Wow, Leo, look at this place. It looks so big from the outside.
Yeah, it's huge. I heard they have everything: fresh food, snacks, clothes, even electronics.
Really? That's great. It will make shopping easier. They walked toward the entrance and grabbed a cart. It was shiny, new, and rolled smoothly.
I like this cart. It doesn't make that squeaky sound like our old supermarket carts.
Yes, I hated that sound. Okay, do you have the shopping list with you?
Yes, I saved it on my phone. Let me check. Hmm, we need milk, eggs, bread, fruits, vegetables, rice, pasta, snacks, and some cleaning items.
That's a lot, but it's fine. We can take our time.
Leo, look. Everything is arranged so neatly. It's going to be fun shopping here.
Yep. Let's start with the dairy section. That's usually at the back of the store.
They walked through the entrance area, passing the bakery where workers were placing warm bread on the shelves. These breads look amazing. Maybe we should buy one later.
Sure, but first let's get the basics. Here we are. Do you want the regular milk or low-fat milk?
Hmm, maybe low fat. I'm trying to eat healthier.
All right. Do you want the small bottle or the big one?
The big bottle. It lasts longer, and we won't need to come again soon.
Leo placed the milk in the cart.
Okay, next on the list is eggs.
Eggs should be somewhere near here.
They walked a few steps and found a long shelf stacked with different egg cartons: brown eggs, white eggs, large, medium, organic, and more.
There are so many types. Which one should we choose?
Let's get a dozen of large eggs. They're good for cooking and baking.
Perfect. But be careful. Don't break them. Leo smiles. Don't worry. I've become a pro at carrying eggs. He placed the egg carton gently into the cart.
Great. Now, bread?
Yes, but the bread is back in the bakery area. Let's go.
Mmm, it smells so good here.
I know. So, what kind of bread do you want?
Brown bread, please. It's healthier.
All right. Should we also buy some buns for sandwiches?
Good idea. Let's take a small pack.
Leo picked up a loaf of brown bread and a pack of fresh buns.
Perfect. Our cart is filling up nicely.
Let's get a dozen of large eggs. They're good for cooking and baking.
Perfect. But be careful. Don't break them.
Smiles. Don't worry. I've become a pro at carrying eggs. He placed the egg carton gently into the cart.
Great. Now, bread?
Fruit section. They walked to the brightly lit fruit section where colorful fruits were displayed beautifully: red apples, green apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, grapes, and more.
Wow. Everything looks so fresh today.
Yeah, it's really nice. What fruits do we need?
Apples and bananas for sure. And maybe some oranges.
All right.
Do you prefer red apples or green apples?
Red apples. They're sweeter.
Leo placed 6 red apples into a paper bag.
And some bananas. Let's take one bunch.
Got it. Anything else?
Maybe some grapes? They look good.
Sure. Do you want the seedless ones?
Yes, seedless is easier to eat.
Leia weighed the grapes and added them to the cart.
I love this place. It makes shopping feel relaxing.
Definitely. And the staff here looks friendly, too.
As they walked toward the vegetables section, they noticed a worker arranging strawberries. Excuse me, are these strawberries fresh?
Yes, ma'am. They came in this morning. Very sweet and juicy.
Thank you. Let's take one box, Leo.
Sure. They placed the strawberries in the cart.
This section is so beautiful. Look at the colors.
Yeah, everything looks very fresh.
We need tomatoes, onions, potatoes, and some lettuce.
Okay, let's get 4 tomatoes.
And 2 onions. Also, a bag of potatoes.
They picked everything carefully.
Oh, and cucumbers. I want to make a salad tonight.
All right, 2 cucumbers coming right up.
Their cart was now half full.